can be in a relationship with a person for many years, and that person promised to marry you. Maybe he promised to marry you understand? But maybe in that time he changed his mind, and he doesn't tell you that he changed his mind, because some of the men, maybe they have been promised you to marry you, but your behavior, and most of the times when you are in a relationship for a long time, you engaged, because some of people, maybe they are engaged, because guys, a person can put an engagement ring on your finger, you understand? But he can change his mind, because some people, they are excited that he is my man, he is going to marry me. But some of the people, they changed their mind. Maybe they saw your behavior, you understand it? Because when we are dating, you understand it? Because you have to learn your person, because most of the people, they are regretting now that why I would marry that woman, you understand? Some of the men, they are regretting because they don't take their time. Guys, you have to learn your partner before you married, you understand? Because guys, a person can change his mind because he saw maybe your behavior. Because guys, your behavior can tell you, because when you are in a relationship for a long time, you know each other now, you understand? You have been know each other than you are in a relationship for a short time. Those things can be done fast. You are dating, now you are being married, you understand, without knowing each other. So some of the people, that's why most of the people, they are, do you understand? People, maybe they are signing in court, they are married in, after 1 month, 2 months, they are back, go back to go to court that they want divorce, you understand? They want a divorce. After 2 months, they get. Most people, they don't learn each other, they are doing their things very fast, you understand? Guys, a person, most of the people, they are crying that my boyfriend promised to marry me, but now he changed, talk about anything. He saw your behavior, you understand? Maybe he saw someone who is his soulmate sometimes, you understand? But he doesn't want to tell you, and he engaged to you, he is putting a ring on your finger sometimes, and you are saying, I'm engaged, he is my man. Don't tell yourself those things, because people, they change their mind, because some of the men can change their mind at any time, you understand? Because the women, guys, a man can change, especially when you are doing everything with him, you understand? That I don't want this woman, because he doesn't lose anything, he doesn't pay any bride price on your family, he can leave you anytime,